This is a mini tutorial on how you can write on the Whipik app. Thank you for being a part of us. So what you would do first is to click on that orange icon there, which is your writing pad, and you will go straight into the writer's engine. As you can see, there's a draft section, there are the review section and the published section. So you click on write a story to write your very first chat story. It's that easy to start. So when you click on write a story, you would see add the story title. So you can add your story title, whatever you want it to be. For this one, I'm going to name it sample story. Sample story. That's what I'll name it. You can always change it, and then you move on. You click on the orange icon, and then when you do that, you see a mini tutorial on how you can write on the app. We know that this is all new to you, so you can see dialogue. This is how the dialogue will look like. This is how you should write the dialogue. You write the character's name and you put that dot dot. I've forgotten the name of the dot dot, but you click on it. You sorry, excuse me, type it, and this is how it would look like. Then for narration, you just type normally. You don't have to put anything. You just type what you're narrating. Then there's line break. So if you want to put 2 weeks later, if you want a scene break, maybe something happened in the room, you can use this. You can use this format. Then if you're writing an actual chat story, like a text story, you can put typing in brackets. And so because we have non-English readers and Nigerian readers, you have to put the meanings to your non-Nigerian words, and this is how you should do it. For words like things like pidgin Yoruba, you have to put the meaning so that people that are outside the country can understand what you're saying. And if you're doing an actual chat story, you can always put deleted message. You can always put this feature. And if somebody is thinking, this is also how it should be written, you type in whatever and you put thoughts after. And also for images, new episode, if you want it to be an episodic story, you can do that, but just make sure that you write all your episodes at the same time for now, because people won't get notified if you put a new episode out. So for now, you just have to do that. So there's always we have the every single thing up there, so you can click on anything in case you have forgotten. You can also click on the question mark to see the tutorial all over again. So let's start writing a story together. So this is the narration. For narration, you can just write whatever you want to write. You don't need to put any brackets or anything. So I'm writing up where is showing the new writers how to write on Whipik. Full stop. So if you want to introduce a character or put a character, you put the person's name and you put I can't believe I've forgotten the name of that dot dot. But you put the dot dot, please don't mind my English. And you write the dialogue. So this is how you write dialogue on the app. Writer 1. This is a new character, another character. So if you want so writer 1 is thinking, wow. And so this is how you write it. You put thought after you write the wow. Writer 2 is talking. It's not hard at all. It's not hard though. Then, so I want to put a break now, say 2 hours later. That would, so that, to show you how to do it. And then writer 3, it's going to speak. Okay, no. Let me write. Now I can write on Whipik. Then I'm about to speak pidgin because I'm up there. No hard at all. So I have to put meaning because it's a pidgin word. So I'll put meaning and then I'll put whatever it means. And one great thing about Whipik is that you can see how your story looks like. So you click on preview at the top right of the screen and you will see exactly how everything is going to look like. So if you've made any mistake in the coding or in the writing, you can always see the mistake. You'll see a mistake I made. For example, that meaning, I made a mistake. Full stop is supposed to come before you write the meaning so that it won't just be part of the dialogue. And so I will check again and I'll see, oh, it's okay. So that's it. You can choose your main character. I'm going to choose myself as the main character, and the main character always shows on the right hand of the story of the app. And once you are done, you can save the story, then make any correction. You can add your cover, you can put category, lifestyle, romance, you can put your teaser, what your story is about. Then you click on I certify that the submission is my work and you submit for review. But that's if you are ready. If you're not ready, you can just save to draft. Once you do that, your story will show in reviews. We are going to review it. Don't worry, it will take just 24 hours for your story to be published on the app and to be reviewed. And then you can publish your story. If we have any feedback, we'd actually send it in the reviews. And that's how to write on Whipik. It's very easy.